There are many car windshield products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car windshields from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Econor Car Windshield. Rating 4.3. Shield your car interior from harmful UV rays with Econor's durable car window shades. Crafted from high-quality 240T polyester, this heat shield effectively blocks sunlight, keeping your vehicle cool and safeguarding your dashboard and upholstery. Unlike traditional window sunblockers, Econor features a unique overlapping design that extends up to 8 inches for a snug fit. Ideal for windshields up to 64 by 32 inches, this window shade for car windshields is perfect for small sedans, mini SUVs, and hatchbacks. This cool window sunshade easily pops open, installs in seconds, and folds away for convenient storage in the included pouch. Ideal for those seeking a hassle-free windshield sunshade foldable solution for daily use. Number 4. Moist Car Windshield. Rating 4.4. Featuring our innovative ice crystal cooling material, it evenly distributes heat across the umbrella, mitigating the sun's intense heat. Keep your car's interior at a comfortable 90 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a cool, enjoyable ride. Moist Sunshade for Car Windshield adopted a 240T high-density base fabric combined with a polyester fiber high-temperature reflective cooling coating. This advanced technology shields your car from a broad spectrum of light damage, preventing dashboard and seat deterioration. We've integrated a spring structure at the umbrella's edges and ribs, enhancing flexibility and ensuring your car's interior remains unscathed. This addition makes our sunshade more adaptable and enduring than ever before, providing a reliable shield against the elements. Number 3. Lamicol Car Windshield. Rating 4.8. Lamicol Car Windshield Sunshade features premium 240T reflective polyester to block 99.9% of UV rays and reflect harsh sunlight. Keeps your cabin cooler while protecting the dashboard and seats from cracking or fading. Great for commuting, road trips, and hot climates. Built to last with a 4-layer sun-blocking structure combined with reinforced 240T reflective fabric, offering full coverage and long-term sun protection for your windshield. No suction cups or adhesives, securely held in place by your car's sun visors. Snug fit, no risk of scratches. Easily fold and twist the sunshade, then store it in the cover to save space. Fits in your glove box or door pocket while protecting your hands from a hot wheel. Number 2. Wiga Car Windshield. Rating 4.8. We use 210D encrypted Oxford fabric coated with a titanium silver layer to effectively insulate heat and reduce the temperature inside the vehicle. Additionally, the extended Velcro design ensures total blackout. This not only protects the vehicle's interior, but also prevents leather from cracking and the dashboard from fading. Our sunshade has a reinforced steel frame, providing outstanding strength and rigidity. We've conducted 150 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature storage tests. The results prove its silver-coated part resists melting. You can choose it with full confidence in its long-term durability for an extended time. Pop up, install, and fold away in seconds. The foldable design allows for easy storage in the included storage bag. It's a practical and user-friendly addition to your car accessories. Number 1. Riva Car Windshield. Rating 4.9. Features advanced ice crystal cooling and a high-density fabric with reflective coating. It keeps your car interior cool, blocking harmful sun damage and preserving your dashboard and seats. 2025 newest windshield sunshade features a 360 degrees rotating handle, umbrella-style design, and compact storage bag, making it easy to use, fold, and store without obstructing or damaging your display and taking up no extra space in your car. The newly upgraded 10 centimeters flexible edge perfectly conforms to your windshield, ensuring full coverage with no gaps, while providing a secure fit that won't damage your car's glass. The 2025 upgraded alloy frame is 5x stronger for unmatched durability, while the patented coating resists peeling and fading, ensuring lasting protection all summer long. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.